Hi guys, my name is Robert and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Comica VM10 directional shotgun microphone. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, run a few tests and let you know our thoughts. So what I'm doing here, I'm unboxing the product, but I'm actually revoicing it so you can hear the microphone while I'm unboxing it. So as you can see, we've got a few bits of promotional material in the box. We've got the actual microphone with a pop shield, a dead cat, and two cables, a TTRS cable, and that's for your smartphone, and a TRS cable for your normal connection to your camera, A7 III, A7R3, actually any camera. We also have a few pieces in the box, like an instruction manual and some promotional material, but I believe no one's really not that interested in. Right, what we're going to do here is we're doing a quick test of the onboard audio versus the mic. So this is still the VM10 connected to the A6400 with the flip screen up, set up vlogging style. This will give you an idea of what it sounds like if you're doing a vlog indoors. Just a few notes before we plug out the mic and so you can hear the onboard audio is that I will not be processing the audio any way, shape or form. What you're hearing is straight out of the camera. And then once we finish this test, we're going outside to do an audio test with a louder ambient environment. Right, so now we've switched over to the onboard microphones. You should be able to hear a clear difference. I did run a few tests before, so I can definitely tell a difference. Obviously, the sound characteristics. But to add to that, the onboard audio is not as bad as I thought it was. It sounds pretty clear. It does lose a bit of the bottom edge, but it does sound pretty clear. And obviously, it's a stereo, I think I call it an ambient mic. So you pick up everything. So you're going to get a slightly different sound pattern, a lot more of me bouncing around in the room. But anyway, let's plug this back out, plug out the whole setup, and let's go and do some vlogging. Right, so this is a quick vlog with the onboard microphone. As you can hear me walking around and what I'm doing, rotating around, you can hear a lot of ambient noise. Obviously I can't monitor this to hear this, so only when I get back I'm going to hear it. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch out to the Comica mic and see how it sounds. And now I'm back on with the Comica mic, so what you should hear now is a lot less of the ambient sound and a lot more of my voice. I'm facing away from traffic at the moment, but if I rotate round like this, you might pick up a bit more sound, but once I rotate away, you shouldn't hear as much ambient background. That's for the shotgun mic. Anyway, it's freezing out here. I'm not hanging around too long. See you back inside. So for this final section, what I've done, I've taken the mic off the camera and stuck it on a boom pole just above my head. You should hear, again, a difference in sound quality because the mic's a lot closer and a lot less ambient sound. So in summary, I believe this mic's a real good upgrade, especially if you're vlogging and doing a lot of vlogging outside. The only downside to this mic is the price, coming at about £46, which is good value for money, but its competitor, the Rode Video Mic Compact, is the same price. And people know Rode, so default everyone's gonna go to Rode and skip over this. Now if the sellers discounted it for about £2 or £3 cheaper, it will make a much more viable option. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. And also, the affiliate links for the microphone will be in the description box below. And I will see you on the next one.